Hello everyone. Today is August 13th, 2024. It's Tuesday and welcome to Unday Radar Talks. Chipotle Mexican Grill shares plunged on Tuesday. As of 11:30 a.m., the stock price fell more than 10%, and its trading volume soared to 55 million shares, with a turnover rate of 4%, while the turnover rate of the previous trading day was only 0.74%. There is no doubt that a lot of capital has entered the market to buy the bottom due to the sharp drop in the stock price. Technically, this may be a good opportunity to buy. The company's stock price plummeted on Tuesday because of news that the burrito giant will replace a lot of leadership, which is what pushed its stock price to incredible levels. Starbucks stock price soared 20% because Starbucks said that Chipotle CEO Brian Niccol will serve as its CEO and chairman from September. The company split its stock for $50 at the end of June, and its stock price has continued to fall since then. But the stock is still up 11% year to date. The company's second quarter results released last month exceeded Wall Street's expectations for sales and profits, so I think the market may have overreacted to the news on Tuesday, and the situation may not be that bad. From the daily chart of the stock, we can see that the trading volume of the stock on August 13th was significantly enlarged, and it is currently 6 times that of the previous trading day. The stock price started to rebound at $48, but in fact $49 is the current bottom position peak of the stock. But the current stock price is back above $50, which is a positive sign. But $50.80 is a small resistance, because this price level consolidated for 3 trading days at the end of July, so it is both a resistance and a support position. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the market has pulled the stock price back to the $50 level, which is the lowest area of the stock in recent times. The stock price started to rebound at this price level in late July and early August. But it is worth mentioning that the market generated a lot of trading volume at low levels from July 25th to 29th, but the bullish force generated here seemed to exit the market when the stock price was high later, so the high trading volume on Tuesday may not be the result of finding a support point, but simply caused by oversold. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of this stock. We can see that on August 5th, the stock price rebounded strongly after a deep decline, but its capital net outflow was $23 million. From August 6th to 7th, its capital also had a high net outflow, but the stock price rose, so these capitals cannot be regarded as funds exiting the market, because there was also a large amount of capital flowing into the market. However, from August 9th to 12th, its capital flow data was very abnormal, with a cumulative net outflow of $40 million in 2 days, which was inconsistent with its trading volume, indicating that the proportion of net outflow on that day was very high. On August 14th, the current net capital inflow was $82 million, which should be positive data, consistent with the trading volume performance on that day. Of course, this is a positive signal. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of this stock. We can see that due to the recent continuous decline in stock prices, the current position profit rate of this stock is only 3.6%. Of course, this also means that the current profit-taking pressure faced by the stock is not great. $49 is the current bottom position peak of the stock, and the current stock price has rebounded above this price, so it has become a strong support position. There are fewer positions below $52.50, so the resistance in this area is not great, which also explains why it was said that the bulls at the same position at the end of July had already exited the market at a high level. In this case, if the stock price stands above $50 on August 13th, it will next challenge the $52.50 to $54.50 area, because the position distribution in this area is relatively large. As for the position peak of $58, it is still too far away at present. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. I think the stock seems to be reborn on Tuesday. Through the above analysis, I think that the previous process of the stock price from low to high is a masterpiece of capital buying low and selling high. Although the profit margin is small, it has ended. The surge in trading volume on Tuesday seems to prove that the current stock price is oversold, and the resistance above $50 may not be as large as imagined. So the stock price is likely to rebound next, but as for the target price, I am still relatively conservative because there will be economic data to be released this week. As mentioned before, the positions are relatively concentrated in the range of $52.50 to $54.50, So I set the middle price, which is $53.50, as the target price. Okay, guys, that's my price prediction for Chipotle Mexican Grill stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.